Today, I am going to teach you about power sharing. Power sharing is the first chapter of Democratic Politics, second of class 10th. What is the meaning of power sharing? Power sharing means arrangement of political powers among different organs of government, among different levels of government, among different sections of people and organizations. What is the need to study about power sharing? Because power sharing is the value of democracy. If powers are not shared, democracy may not be conducted. So, it is very essential to study about power sharing and particular for the student of class 10th because it is a type of political training for you. So, let us study about what is the next about power sharing. First topic starts from Belgium and Sri Lanka. We have to study about these countries. Both countries are democratic, but why we have to study about particular both countries? In spite of democratic countries? Because there is a vast difference between Belgian democracy and Sri Lankan democracy. But first, we study about the ethnic composition of Belgium and then about Sri Lanka. Belgium is a small country lies in Europe. It is bordered by France, Germany, Denmark and Luxembourg. Sri Lanka is the neighboring country of India, lies in south direction. In Belgium, there are two regions, Flemish and Wallonia. Really, there are 10 states in Belgium, but these 10 states are divided into two regions, Flemish region and Wallonia region. In Flemish region, 59% of the total population of Belgium live. And this 59% population use Dutch language. In Wallonia region, 40% population live. And the people living in Wallonia region, they use French language and they are 40%. Rest 1% population who use German language. But now there is another part about the ethnic composition of Belgium. What is the majority at the national level? That is not the majority in the capital city of Belgium. It means in Brussels, Dutch language community is 20%, French language community is 80%. But at the national level, Dutch language community is 59% and French language community is 40%. So it is the ethnic composition of Belgium. But now about Sri Lanka, ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. Based on language and religion. When we study on language base, Sinhala language community is the majority and Tamil language community is minority. Buddhist religion is majority and Hindus, Muslims and Christianity, they are minority. Buddhists are 74% and Tamils are, means Hindu and Muslims are, they are 18%. And out of total Tamil, Sri Lankan Tamil is 13%, Indian Tamil is 5%. So it is the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka, and Christianity is 7%. Christianity is 7%, belonging to Sinhalese language and Tamil language both. So it is about the first topic of power sharing, and that is Belgium and Sri Lanka. Okay.